In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a sales team in Pipedrive. Let's dive in and explore these step-by-step instructions to help streamline your team's management process. First things first, you want to head over to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your email and password. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is crucial, so make sure you're not sharing them with anyone you don't trust. After filling out your login information, hit the login button again to access your Pipedrive account. Now that you're in, navigate to the Pipeline a Deal section. This is where you'll have a comprehensive view of all your sales activities and can start managing your team more effectively. Moving to the next step, locate and click on the account icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a list of options, but for our purposes, click on Manage Users. This section is where you control who has access to what within your Pipedrive account. If you need to organize your team by specific roles or departments, head over to Team Filters. In this area, click on the plus team button, which allows you to create new team groups. After setting up your team structures, it's time to add team members to these groups. Carefully add the right people to the appropriate teams, ensuring you're building efficient and effective units. Once you've organized your team members, make sure to click Save to keep all the changes intact. Next, navigate to Permission Sets. This feature is essential for controlling what each team or individual can access and modify within Pipedrive. Here, locate the Global Features permission sets and select a team permission set to edit according to your team's needs. After making the necessary adjustments, don't forget to hit Save again. These permission settings ensure that each team member only accesses what they need while maintaining overall security within your system. Following that, proceed to Users and Access. If you want to make changes to access rights for individual users, click on the three dots next to the user's name. From the drop-down that appears, select Edit Access Rights. Here you can modify the permissions for team access on a more granular level. Remember to click Edit One User if you only want to change settings for one person, and then Confirm to finalize. Lastly, navigate to Visibility Groups. This feature allows you to define which groups see certain data, helping to further refine what information is available to whom. For instance, this can be highly useful for restricting or expanding visibility based on roles. Once you're satisfied with these visibility groups, make sure to click Save once more to secure your settings and apply all changes made. With these comprehensive steps, you should be well on your way to efficiently managing a sales team within Pipedrive. Remember that organization and clarity